Welcome to Catherine the Paint. Tonight I am doing a bloom technique on a clear bookmark that I have resined. So I'm just putting down the pillow paint now. I don't know if it's going to work, but I'm really excited about it. So I have been thinking about this for a while. So I'll put down some Prism Violet, and now I'm using gold. Both of those are Liquitex Basics. Now I'm putting on my topper. Now I just need to blow it out. Blow some more, blow some more. All right, there we go. That looks pretty good. Lots of cells, lots of cells. It's very exciting. All right, so I just leave it sitting for a couple minutes so it rises back up to the top. And now I'm just going to stretch it out a little bit. I wanted at least half of the bookmark to be clear. So once I take off that blue tape, it'll be clear. But first I have to stretch it out. And there it is, looking pretty good. I will bring you in for a close-up. All right, I wanted to go ahead and get a close-up of it still wet. So we will see how it turns out, but I'm really excited. It was fun, just an idea I had. So that'll all be clear because that's blue tape that's on the back of the clear bookmark. So let's see how it turns out. Thanks for watching, guys. All right, here is the finished bookmark. Trying to focus. There we go. Look how pretty it turned out. That is absolutely gorgeous. The gold just sparkles. All the bloom effect is there. It's so cool. So pretty cool for a bookmark. I put a little ribbon on it just to finish it off, but I'll probably put a different kind of ribbon on it. So anyway, there it is. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. Be inspired.